Hello friends, welcome everyone to a brand new video from Chef Joji. Today's video features a traditional Kerala-style gooseberry pickle, Nelika achar. To prepare the pickle, I've taken half a kilo of gooseberries, Nelika. They have been thoroughly washed and cleaned. Now we're going to steam the gooseberries. Place them into an idli steamer and cover it with a lid. Once the water starts boiling, steam it for about 7 minutes, then open the lid. Now the gooseberries are nicely steamed and cooked to a stage where they are soft but not mushy. Take them out from the steamer. Now we need to separate the flesh from the seeds. I've already deseeded and separated all the gooseberry pieces. Next, let's prepare the masala powders needed for the pickle. 2 teaspoons of spicy red chili powder, 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri non-spicy red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of asafoetida, hing powder. Now take a pan to prepare the pickle. Once the pan is hot, pour about 3/4 cup of gingelly oil, nala enna. Always use gingelly oil for pickles. Using more oil also helps preserve the pickle for a longer time. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and let them splutter. Then add 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, uluva, 2 dry red chilies, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, 2 green chilies sliced, 1 tablespoon of ginger sliced lengthwise, 1 teaspoon of garlic sliced lengthwise. Mix everything and roast lightly. Once the garlic begins to change color, add the prepared masala powders to the oil. Mix everything well and lightly roast the powders in the same oil. Then add 1/2 teaspoons of jaggery powder and mix again. Add salt to taste. I've used rock salt here. Now pour in about 3 ladles, approximately cupper-quarters of hot water. The water was heated separately before adding. Mix everything thoroughly. Let the mixture boil well and reduce slightly. Once it reaches this consistency, add the steamed and deseeded gooseberries to it. Also, switch off the stove at this point. Mix the gooseberries thoroughly in the masala. Now sprinkle a pinch of roasted and powdered fenugreek uluva powder on top. Mix everything again gently. And now, our authentic traditional Kerala-style Nelika pickle is ready. Let it rest for a day before using. You can also store this in a clean, dry glass bottle and refrigerate it. It will stay fresh for weeks. This is a super easy and flavorful traditional gooseberry pickle, and I hope all of you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. If you're visiting this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and follow the page. There are many older videos on Chef Joji English YouTube channel and Facebook page, so be sure to check those out too. I'll be back soon with another exciting recipe. Until then, bye-bye.